Hi, it's Ronnie, and today I'm going to give you a super user tip for the Plantee app. These super user videos are for customers of Plantee who are already doing the basics of creating meal plans, making shopping lists, saving all of your favorite recipes, but you want to go deeper with the Plantee app. So today I'm going to show you how you can send your grocery list for pickup or delivery at your preferred grocery store. Okay, here we are on the Plantee app. We are in the shopping list, and I have this whole shopping list already created for me. I've gone through the process of taking off all the things we already have in our home and adding any additional things that we need for the list. You can see I'm here in my favorite store and I have about 25 items here. So all I'm going to do is tap this Deliver Groceries button at the bottom right corner. Now it's going to ask me which specific store I want to send to grocery delivery, and you can also select multiple stores for grocery delivery if you want to send all of the items from multiple stores for one grocery delivery order. I'm going to hit my favorite store, hit Deliver Groceries. It's going to redirect me to the grocery integration where I'm going to put in my zip code, and it's going to look up who's available in the area. I'm going to choose King Soopers. That's our local Kroger grocery store. And it's going to ask me exactly which one I want to pick them up at. And then it's redirecting me over to King Soopers so that I can select the items specifically that I want from this grocery shopping trip. So you can see it's loaded all of these items here from my grocery list, and specifically with Kroger, you have these view alternative options, which is how you would swap something out. Every grocery store has a little bit different language, but you can go through and replace it with a different item if there was something that you wanted to buy differently, or if there's a specific brand of an item that you like to buy at your grocery store. And then I'll hit the add 25 items to my cart, and it's going to take me over to Kroger where it'll ask me to log in, and then I can finish the process from the Kroger app. So that's how you use grocery delivery in Plantee. It is so simple to get your grocery list sent over to your grocery store so that you can save even more time with your grocery trip. This feature is also available on the desktop, and I'm going to link the help article below in the description of this video if you want more information. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon in another super user video.